Okay, so welcome to part 5 of the renovation project. Today is quite a poignant day actually. It's a Labour Day in Spain. So let's see how the workmen are getting on and having a day of rest on Labour Day. So as we walk in now, the new floor is starting to take shape and the colour of it is beautiful. Laid to perfection, no lumps, no bumps. If we go down, it's running all the way through into the kitchen. Since we was last here, we've now got a ceiling in place. They're now starting to prepare this wall here. The floor runs all the way through into the lounge area and towards the patio, but we'll have a look at that in a moment. And it runs all the way now down to the bedrooms. They've really cracked on in the bathroom. So if we go into the bathroom, the shower tray is in place. The tiles are beautiful. It's a really pale grey. Doesn't quite show up properly in the video, but a really nice pale grey. And then if I go up to it again here, it's a really nice, bit darker than the opposite ones, I think. But also got like a mottled effect built into it. Since it was last here, ceiling is now all in place, good to go. And then in the bedroom, we're done up to this stage. I'm not going to stand on the floor again, but I believe we saw those tiles last time. We'll go a little bit closer this time. So they are quite a nice dark grey. Again, back into the living room. And yeah, the pipes are now in, ready for the new aircon system. So it would have been on a wall that didn't exist over there previously, but they've now changed it and it's there, good to go. So you'll have a nice cool lounge area. Plenty of sun in here again today, plenty of bright blue skies, and yeah, let's look forward to number 6, shall we?